Psalm 119:5. Oh, let my actions consistently align with your decrees. Counsel we seek, cultivate to grow. The alignment to be in tune with the Most High. Heal, practice, reading. Judgment, just love.
I'm from Meadville, Pennsylvania, and a famous quote by Margaret Mead says, "Never forget that a group of thoughtful, committed citizens can make a difference." We're at the Coop at 7282 Beverly Boulevard, collecting gently used clothing for kids, men, women, children, people that have been displaced and affected by the fire. We have beautiful cashmere sweaters, jeans, new socks, shoes, clothes, blankets. I'm going to take you inside. 7282 Beverly Boulevard. You can come and shop. You can also donate. Okay. Here, okay.
Should I just put girls and boys together? I don't think they. Once it.
Found out today that I ain't got fire insurance. So I'm figuring all that out, bro, because if my crib burned down, that's just M's wasted, bro. Like,
Happy New Year. Lots going on. Hope everybody's safe. And, send my regards to everybody.
Okay, I guess let's park along this street, yeah? And then, Dave, if you can, just
Oh my.
go ahead of us and try to set up a signal.
Right here. This is where it's gotta be. This is, oh my God. What? I've never, look at this. Beyond comprehension.
When 91-year-old Dale Short returned to his Pasadena home of 60 years, he found only rubble. It was a house we watched burn just hours earlier as the hurricane-force wind gusts made the fire unfightable. When you came back up here this morning, what went through your mind?
Well, I have to be honest with you, it really hasn't hit me all yet. I mean, I've got 60 years of memories in that house and 3 children.
Yeah.
Now it's hitting me.
Literally talking to the president right now to specifically answer the question of what we can do for you and your daughter.
Can I hear it? Can I hear your call? Because I
it
don't
doesn't-
believe it.
I'm sorry. There's literally, I've tried 5 times. That's why I'm walking around to make the
Why
call.
is the president not taking your call?
Because it's not going through. So
Why?
I have to get cell service.
So
There's
let's
no
get
cell
it.
service.
Let's get it. I want to be here when you call the president.
I appreciate it. I'm doing that right now. And it's to immediately get reimbursements, individual assistance, and to help you. I'm devastated for you. I'm so sorry, especially for your daughter. I have 4 kids losing the school.
Everyone who went to school there, they lost their homes. They lost 2 homes because they were living in one and building another. Governor, please tell me, what are you going to do with the president right now?
We're getting the resources to help rebuild.
Why was there no water in the hydrants, Governor?
That's all literally.
Is it going to be different next time?
It has to be. Has to
right?
be, of course.
What are you going to do?
I'm doing
To
everything
fill the
I can.
hydrants. I would fill them up personally, you know that.
I literally have.
I would fill up the hydrants myself. But would you do that?
I would do whatever I can.
But you're not. I see the, do you know there's water dripping over there, Governor? There's water coming out there. You can use it.
I appreciate it. I'm going to make the call to address everything I can right now, including making sure people
I'd
are
like
safe.
to make sure you do. Can I have an opportunity to at least tell people you're doing?
Do you owe citizens an apology for being absent while their homes were burning? Do you regret cutting the fire department budget by millions of dollars, Madam Mayor? Have you nothing to say today? Have you absolutely nothing to say to the citizens today? Elon Musk says that you're utterly incompetent. Are you considering your position? Madam Mayor, have you absolutely nothing to say to the citizens today who are dealing with this disaster? No apology for them? Do you think you should have been visiting Ghana while this was unfolding back home?